This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink text to an email address in Microsoft PowerPoint. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. I have Microsoft PowerPoint opened up now. To hyperlink text to an email address, it's very easy to do. Say that I wanted to hyperlink this text up here to my email address to make it a clickable link. First thing you want to do is select the text that you want to hyperlink. I'm going to put my mouse cursor in here. I'm going to hold down the left mouse button and drag across the text that I want to hyperlink. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here and you want to click on the Insert tab. Insert. Then on the ribbon, you want to go about halfway down to where it says Link and click on Link. Then you'll go straight down to where it says Insert Link and click on Insert Link. Now in this dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to go down to the bottom and click on Email Address. Then in the email address box, you want to type or paste in the email address that you want to hyperlink this text to. I'm going to paste mine in. As you can see, PowerPoint automatically adds that mailto : in front of the email address that I added. That mailto : has to be in there. You want to go up to the top here where it says text to display. Make sure that that mailto : has not been added in there. It has not been added in mine. If it's added in yours, you could just put your cursor in there and erase it. But then you'll go down to the bottom and you'll click on OK. Now as you can see, that email address has become a link. If I put my mouse cursor over it, it tells you it's hyperlinked to this email address right here. And if you want to test it, place your mouse cursor over the text, hold down the Control key, and left click on it while holding down the Control key. It opens up my email app with that email address that I had made out, that I had hyperlinked it to, is right there. That is how to hyperlink text to an email address in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.